Dear children, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. Today, I brought a fun story for you about the friendship between a cat and a hen. This story is not only interesting but also teaches us an important lesson. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a cat and a hen. The cat's name was Meenu, and the hen's name was Chunnu. Both lived in the same courtyard of a house, but their habits were completely different. Meenu always lounged around lazily in the corner of the house, while Chunnu was used to waking up early in the morning to peck at grains and wander around the village. One day, Chunnu spotted a shiny coin in the courtyard. She was overjoyed and thought, if I keep this coin in my nest, I'll become so rich. She moved forward to pick it up, but suddenly Meenu opened her eyes and saw the coin. Meenu said, Chunnu, I saw this coin in my dream last night. It's mine. Chunnu replied, no, I saw it first, so it's mine. An argument broke out between the two. Meenu unsheathed her claws, and Chunnu flapped her wings. But suddenly, a strong gust of wind blew, and the coin flew away, falling into a ditch. Both of them saw the coin land in the pit. Meenu and Chunnu looked at each other. Chunnu said, instead of fighting, we should work together. Meenu smiled and said, you're right, let's get the coin out together. Chunnu used her beak to remove the dirt, and Meenu dug the pit with her paws. Finally, together, they retrieved the coin. Now they both understood that working together makes every difficulty easier. Meenu and Chunnu shared the coin and became good friends again. Dear children, did you like this story? If yes, please subscribe to our channel and watch more of our videos. We bring new stories and fun cartoons every week. Remember, working together makes every problem easier. Thank you, ****.